Alright, welcome to a new episode of Curbs PH Requests Music! So, today we are gonna listen and watch out for the album of the year. Oh, grabe. Album of G22. Let's go, man. These beautiful women ay maglabas ng isang album. I think album, no? Kasi madami to eh. Pag EP kasi, nasa, I don't know the actual numbers, but album ata to kasi napakaraming songs, no? This is good. And I wrote for G22 and I hope this is freaking amazing. I've heard the Papapalaban. I've heard that one. And Filipina, ano yung isa pa? So I think we're gonna skip through that, and we have the reactions on the live, or I don't know if I made contents about it, but I've really listened to that. It's good. So now we're gonna focus on the songs that I didn't listen yet. I haven't have the privilege to listen to it. So ngayon papakinggan natin yung mga kanta na hindi ko pa napapakinggan from this album, and we're gonna start with Groove. By the way, this was requested by the masses, of course, because this is as an episode of Curbs PH Requests. So if you have requests or any video that you wants us to check, just comment it down below. So ito yung mga nag-request nito at madami pang iba. Kaya wala nang madaming patumpik-tumpik pa. Kung you're a fan of G22, subscribe, because this is gonna be awesome ride, man. This is gonna be an awesome ride. Ang daming wrong grammar doon. Problema nyo na yun. Okay, so start na natin to. This is definitely exciting for me. So ihuhuli ko yung Lakong Pake. Man, I've been bugging to check this out for days now. Excited akong panoorin yung Lakong Pake, pero uunahin natin yung walang music video na kanta. Groove On. Dang, English to ha. Okay, so re-record ko lang. Saglit lang, chill. Mabilis lang, ha? Mag-subscribe ka muna habang inaayos ko to. Alright, this is good. We're live? Yeah, we're recording. So, this is Groove On. Siguro sayaw to, no? Kasi Groove. G22, no? This is the entire album. Okay? Check natin yan. By the way, I am a rapper, a songwriter, a self-artist, a solo artist na homegrown. Kumakanta at sumusulat ng kanta, nagra-rap. I also write rap songs. So, in a way, I have the credentials. Hindi lang siya, hindi lang siya, anong tawag nito? I don't have any labels or anything, but I'm also a solo artist on my own shit. Okay, so start na natin to. Groove On by G22. Oh! Wait lang ha. Ang pangalan ng album is The Dissection of Eve. Damn, talking about deep thoughts and meanings of words, man. This is amazing. Napakaganda ng pangalan ng album, The Dissection of Eve. So parang women, the greatest woman ever. Parang ganon yung dating niya, no? I-dissect nila yung Eve, parang thoughts ni Eve, or i-dissect nila yung women. So napakagandang concept. Ang ganda din ng cover art, no? Tatlong hati kasi tatlo sila sa grupo. Napakagaling. May ginto pa. Nice, man. Ang ganda ng cover art nito. Very good.
Grab my waist and I guide you slowly. I wanna teach you how to.
Let me turn that shit up. Ganda. Okay. Okay. Let's go, G22.
Grab my waist and I guide you slowly. I wanna teach you how to rock this dance floor, baby. Through the lights and darkness, who we are, feeling like the stars. But nobody can compare to this feeling. Yeah. Have my eyes locked on your body, and since you came, I ain't seen nobody else. No one else. Just be yourself. I just can't let go of your grip, losing my breath. I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need
The beat goes hard. Damn, man. Ito yung, I think this is the dance song that they made, no? Groove On, evidence sa title, napakabigat ng bass. Mapapaganon ka. Just be yourself, sabi sa lyrics doon. May mga bars ako narinig doon, napakaganda. Ang ganda din ng pagkanta nila, parang cut-cut, parang cuttings yung pagkanta nila. Napakagandang style. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go.
Your grip, losing my breath. I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on.
Oh!
Get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on.
Stop with the whispering, man. Stop whispering on my ear. Is that jazz? Then come closer. Jazz can come closer. Okay? Damn, okay? I love the sprinkle of whispers right there. Oh, man. This is good. This is good.
Groove on. Nagitan ng puso ko. Mapigil ang pag...
Oh my God. Here's the Tagalog lyrics. Tagalog lyrics on the mix. Let's go. Dagitab ng puso. Narinig ko doon. Damn, let's go, ha? Oh, putang layo naman ng... Okay.
Groove on. Groove on. Get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on. Get your groove on. Nagitan ng puso ko. Mapigil ang pagdalo. Iindak sa kilos mo. Damdamin ko nag-aapo. I don't care where you're from. All I care is the beat of the drum.
Oh!
Speaking in motion, feel the emotion. Hey, yeah. So pull me in and don't break the spell. Tonight we dance your secrets to us. We're taking confessions, not suggestions. Hey, I just can't let go of.
So yung cut yun yung chorus nila, no? Oh man, this is good. I just imagine G22 performing this on stage because they got amazing voicing. Their harmonization is great. This is definitely good. This is definitely nice. Damn, this is good. Oh, first song is good.
Your lips, it's I just can't say what's on my
The beat,
mind.
man.
Don't need a friend. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Get your groove on. Groove on. Get your groove on. You better get your groove on.
Man, with the whisper, stop it.
Groove on. Nagitan ng puso ko. Mapigil ang pagdalo. Iindak sa kilos mo. Damdamin ko nag-aapo. Get your groove on now, up on this dance floor. Yeah. Have all night, maybe tomorrow. Surprise me. Get your groove on now, up on this dance floor. Yeah. Have all night, maybe tomorrow. Surprise me. I just can't let go of your grip, losing myself. I just can't say what's on my mind. Don't need a friend. Don't need. You better get your groove on. You better get your groove on. Groove on. Groove on. Groove on. You better get your groove on.
Groove on. Groove on.
Nagitan ng puso ko. Mapigil ang pagdalo.
Ang dagitam ng puso ko. Putik, ang ganda, man. Ang lalim nun, ha, para sa babae. Man, that was general.
Iindak sa kilos mo. Damdamin ko nag-aapo. Groove on. Groove on. Groove on. Groove on. Groove on. Groove on.
Wow. Wow, so that was Groove On. So let me like that shit. That was nice, bruh. Okay, mamaya na lang. Excited kasi silang mag-next eh. Okay, the first one is lit. Definitely good. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. This entitled Super Saiyan. Oh my gosh, the title is really original, yo. Kasi wala pang gumawa nito. Nag-title ng Super Saiyan Santa. Definitely out of the box and original at the same time. I like it. Okay. Super Saiyan. God damn. That's a bold move, no? Para title mo yung kanta mo ng Super Saiyan. And you're a girl group. Diba? Damn. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. I-like muna natin yung isa din natin na like agad kanina eh. Okay. Ito ata yung battle cry song nila, I guess.
Target, logs, aim it, hit it, hit it, hit it like malapit na lalapag, inapos ng matatag, binigay weight doon sa tabla sa aming umaatras. Target, logs, aim it, hit it, hit it, hit it like malapit na lalapag, inapos ng matatag, binigay weight doon sa tabla sa aming umaatras. Attention, all eyes and ears on me, listen. With pickup batters working with extension. Bullets and Glock, ready to fire. None as I said, aim to go higher. Battle with time, don't cancel the shot clock.
I don't know what's wrong with the instrumentals, but instrumentals going crazy right now. What the hell? Ang lupit ng katong instrumental, bigat ng mga beat. Ano nila dito, men? Kung ano ginagawa nila.
Logs, aim it, hit it, hit it, hit it like malupit na lalapag, inapos ng matatag, binigay weight doon sa tabla sa aming umaatras. Attention, all eyes and ears on me, listen. With pickup batters working with extension. Bullets and Glock, ready to fire. None as I said, aim to go higher. Battle with time, don't cancel the shot clock. Palatarmas ang baka salitang dinadala sa haba ng digmaan. Mga linyang mata sa langit, pa sa lupa, aking pinangahawakan. Na kahit ka na pa kataas, marating huwag kalimutan saan gagaling. Bawat pagkakataon, di pa naman sayang, dapat na usayang. Super Saiyan ng atake, pagsampa ng entablado. Hindi mo to mapepeke, taon ang ginugol para plakado. Ilang beses na natihado, nakabisado na ang rekado.
Punyeta kayong lahat, men. Ha? So mga di naniniwala, ha? Hindi nyo to mapepeke. Ano yung sabi? Puti, ang ganda nun. Damn, G22 with the bars. So ito yung ano pala nila, yung hip-hop shit. Super Saiyan is the hip-hop song of the album.
Super Saiyan ng atake, pagsampa ng entablado. Hindi mo to mapepeke, taon ang ginugol para plakado.
Bruh! Hindi mo to mapepeke, taon na ginugol para paklak. Hindi mo to mapepeke, taon na ginugol para plakado. Ano ba? Plakado. Damn! With the bars! What the hell? Umaapoy! Bruh! Let's go! What the hell? This is good! Good shit! Okay.
Kataas marating huwag kalimutan saan gagaling. Bawat pagkakataon, di pa naman sayang, dapat na usayang. Super Saiyan ng atake, pagsampa ng entablado. Hindi mo to mapepeke, taon ang ginugol para plakado. Ilang beses na natihado, nakabisado na ang rekado. Medyo malabo na kung matalo na ng palya sa praktisado. Target, logs, aim it, hit it, hit it.
Wow! Let's go!
Nalalapag, inapos ng matatag, binigay weight doon sa tabla sa aming umaatras. Target, logs, aim it, hit it, hit it, hit it like malupit na lalapag, inapos ng matatag, binigay weight doon sa tabla sa aming umaatras. Walang sinasayang na oras, sinusulit kada samba, habang sa kabay nakaposas, mikroponong dala-dala. Di makakapayag na ang beat naming
Grabe, man. Wait lang, man. Masyado ako na... Damn, the imagery of that shit. Nakaposas na sa kamay ang mikroponong dala-dala, meaning I was born to do this shit. Diba? Medyo lumalabas yung mga mura ko kasi hip-hop shit to, man. And sa hip-hop, that's the lingo, alright? Bear with me. Nakaposas yung mikropono sa kamay niya. So I was born to sing. Putik, gaano kaganda yung image rin nito, hayop. Man, G22 with the bars. And the rhyme is not simple either. Plakado, rekado. Napakaganda sa tenga ng percussive thought, percussive sound ng mga ano nila dito, mga tugma, mga rhyme nila, hindi tamad. Napakaganda ng metaphor, napakaganda ng double meaning. Napakaganda ng image, napakalalim din ng kanta. Napakaangas, man. Shit. I've always looked at G22 as, aside from the sexiest, very yummy women, syempre ladies yan sila, di ba? Sila yung pinakamaangas na girl group kaya nga di ba? The alphas. And they definitely stood ground for that name. Kasi napakaangas talaga nila. And I very much respect na pag sobra, alam mo yung dating ng babae, strong independent women, ganun yung itsura ng G22 sa akin. Parang tinitingala ng mga sim. Alam mo you don't have a choice but to respect these girls, man. These women, these ladies right here, man. Napakalupit talaga. Man, let's go.
Lasaming umaatras, walang sinasayang na oras. Sinusulit kada samba habang sa kabay nakaposas, mikroponong dala-dala.
Di makakapayag na ang bit naming himig. Di makakalapat sa inyong dib, di ba't bandinig?
Shut the fuck up, bruh. I can't do this. This is next level shit. Di da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, ti da-da-da-da, ti da-da-da-da, ti. Bruh. Punyeta yan, men. Kaput, hindi to. I have high hopes for this. And it even blew my timbangan. Ha? Alam ko mabigat na yung G22, pero may timbangan ako na ina-expect na bigat nila, pero ito nasira nila yung timbangan dito pa lang. Lalo na I'm all for hip-hop. Rapper ako, kaya I freaking appreciate rhymes, rhythm, yung mga multis na ganon. Bra, ni-rhyme niya yung sa gitna. Di, ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da, di, ta-da-da-da, di, ta-da-da-da. Ang rhyme nandun na sa di, tapos may rhyme pa sa dulo yun, bra. Hindi madali ito. Shit. G22, man. I would love Super Saiyan to be a music video, or they should perform this live. Oh my gosh, this is freaking amazing. Bra, ito, shoutout to sa mga putang inang ang bobo mag-rhyme. Madaming rapper ngayon na napakatamad magsulat ng kanta, halos hindi na nag-rhyme. Mga pang grade 1 na flow. Tapos magpapakita ang man, this is a girl group. I don't disrespect women by any shape or form. Hindi ko sila binababa and shit. Pero di ba self-proclaim yung mga lalaki, lalo na yung mga rapper, na ako magaling ulul, ako pinakaganito. Tapos putik, ang layo, oh. Ang ganda. Tignan mo naman yan kung gaano kaganda yung paano sila mag-rhyme. This takes time, blood, sweat, and tears to do this shit. Give props to G22. What the hell? Let's go. Super Saiyan.
Malupit na lalapag, tinapos ng matatag. Gunigay-way kong sa top, lasaming umaatras. Walang sinasayang na oras, sinusulit kada samba habang sa kabay nakaposas, mikroponong dala-dala.
Oh my God!
Makakapayag na ang bit naming himig. Di makakalapat sa inyong dib, di ba't bandinig?
Kasutatan na ang bawat bitaw, dingin din nagpapawat ang gulaw. Kahit na nahabagan pa at ang gulaw, tsaka patatamaan na pang ang gulaw.
GG mga PG na greedy, nasa gabal sa aming hindi pa pabidi lang gigil naming taglay at laging sayang ng atake, pagsampa ng entablado. Hindi mo to mapepek at ako nang ginugol para
Oh my God!
ilang beses na natihado, nakabisado na ang rekado. Medyo malabo na kumatalo na ng palya sa praktysado.
Sagi, Lars, Amy.
Bruh, I love G22, man. Shit. I am so happy. Bilisan mo, punyeta, excuse the airplane. I am so happy that they kept it classy. They kept it fierce. They stay angry. I love it. I love the energy. Gusto ko yung fierce. Gusto ko yung maangas kami. Kami yung malupit na babae. Kami yung matibay. Kami yung matapang. I love it, man. I'm loving it. Let's go.
Ako nang ginugol para plakado. Ilang beses na natihado, nakabisado na ang rekado. Medyo malabo na kumatalo na ng palya sa praktysado.
Sagi, Lars, Amy. Hit it like malupit na lalapag, tinapos ng matatag.
Gunigay-way kong sa top, lasaming umaatras.
Sagi, Lars, Amy. Hit it like malupit na lalapag, tinapos ng matatag.
Man,
Gunigay-way
shit.
kong sa top, lasaming umaatras.
No distractions, only as the prize. One team, one goal.
Pagka nahawakan na ulan, nakawala sa sigurado mo natagi pa nahuli ng mata ka na bisado ang galawan. Tingin di mo natapaw sa kakadapalapag sa malawakang palapan. Malalim ang matapat, kaya walang pala. nagbabalik. Black. Lahat ang kontra sa amin pagpanik. Pagsilip sa scope, tinakba na matakot siya na hindi na ito makakawalan. Rason ko bakit palaging gagal sa kadawalwagan namin lalapagan. Sagi, Lars, Amy.
I think this is my favorite so far, bro. God damn, they did. Oh my gosh, talaga nag-super saiyan sila na to. Hindi lang super saiyan, hindi lang nanilaw yung buhok nila, may naging unggoy talaga sila. Naging si King Kong yung dating. Di ba ganun sa super saiyan, naging unggoy. Yun yung pang final form. Sila naman, imbes maging unggoy, naging diwata sila. Diwata na may muscle. These are beautiful women, man. And man, ito lang yung iniisip ko, man. Man. Is it gonna fly live? This is gonna be difficult to perform live, man. Bruh. But who cares, man? It's an amazing song. It's an amazing song. Let's go.
Hit it, hit it, hit it like malapit na lalapag, inapos ng matatag. Binigay waiting sa top, tas aming umaatras. Sagi, Lars, Amy. Hit it, hit it, hit it like malapit na lalapag, inapos ng matatag. Binigay waiting sa top, tas aming umaatras.
Inang yan. Pambabastos yung ginawa nila dun, ah. Bruh. Ang taas nun, ang taas sa akin nun, hayop nun. Siguro biased din ako kasi mahilig ako sa ano talaga, sa Filipino lyrics. Mahilig din ako sa lyricism, sa rhymes, sa rap. So ito yung favorite ko as of now, Super Saiyan. Bruh. Dang, man, yung bars doon, hindi siya basic eh. Sobrang next level shit din siya, man eh. Ang ganda nung mga imagery, ang ganda nung metaphors, ang ganda nung double meanings, the rhyme scheme, the double time. Let's not forget the double time. Ang bilis nun, men. Bruh. Alam mo pag nasusulat ka ng rap, compared to love songs, when you write love songs, pwede na sa isang page yun. Kasi nga, pa-slow naman yun. Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. Ganun lang yun eh. Pero pag rap, tatlong page yun. Apat, di ba? Kasi di ba mabilis kang kumanta. Mapupuno yun, men. So, mas mahirap isulat ito. Man, what the hell? Super Saiyan. Amazing. Okay, like na natin to. Ano to isa? K-I-A-K? Ano to? K-I-A-K is the next one. Okay, let's proceed. Ikaw ay ano yan?
Pahinga ka muna. Sumanda ka sa'kin, ikaw lang aalagaan. Pwede bang sumama? Doon tayo tutungo sa kung saan tayo masaya.
Ay, salamat. After maging halimaw ng G22, dito naman tayo sa mapapaibig naman ako. Salamat, ha? Di ko na ma-imagine yung mukha ni ni General, ni Althea, ni Jazz, kung mga maskuladong gusto mambugbog eh. Dito naman, balik tayo sa yummy, sexy, amazing, adorable, beautiful. Okay? Let's go.
Pahinga ka muna. Sumanda ka sa'kin, ikaw lang aalagaan. Pwede bang sumama? Doon tayo tutungo sa kung saan tayo masaya. Pero nagbago isip, ouch. Naging mas malamig ka pa sa brr, gulong-gulo na isip.
Naging mas malamig sa ano? Grr. Grr. Ganun ba yan? daming grr? Yung ba yan? Tama ba?
Pwede bang sumama? Doon tayo tutungo sa kung saan tayo masaya. Pero nagbago isip, ouch. Naging mas malamig ka pa sa brr, gulo-gulo na isip ka. Parang kagabi lang magkayakap pa.
Bruh, man. Ang ganda nun. Excuse me. Alam mo yung excuse me. Ano yun? Meron siya ditong ang galing no, ang galing talaga. Ang galing ng G22 kumanta, tsaka yung ano nila, yung diction nila napakaganda. Napakagaling din nila mag slant rhyme. Ito kasi slant rhyme. Ito slant ano naman to. Ito ability naman to sing or to rap. Ito binali niya yung okay.
Yeah, pero nagbago isip, ouch. Naging mas malamig ka pa sa gulong-gulo na isip ka, parang gagawin.
Brr, yung rhyme, di ba? Tapos isip ko yung next rhyme. Brr, isip ka, ka, di ba? Inislant pronounce niya yon, slant rhyme para mag-rhyme. Pero it doesn't rhyme, supposed to be on paper, pero she makes it work. Napakagaling nun, man. That's amazing right there. Small things matter to me, bro, and that's next level shit.
Pwede bang sumama? Doon tayo tutungo sa kung saan tayo masaya. Pero nagbago isip, ouch. Naging mas malamig ka pa sa gulong-gulo na isip ka, parang kagabi lang magkaya ka ba? Kung ikaw at ako, magtatakbo pa sa dulo. Di ko maramdaman, dapat pa ba ito na panghawakan? Kung ikaw at ako, bakit ka
Oh, shit! Na next ko, shit. So, yung title nun, Kung Ikaw at Ako. Okay, sige.
parang kagabi lang magkaya ka ba? Kung ikaw at ako, magtatakbo pa sa dulo. Di ko maramdaman, dapat pa ba ito na panghawakan? Kung ikaw at ako, bakit ka biglang nagbago? May iba na bang kasama dyan? Sabihin mo lang para ikay mabitawan. Kung ikaw at ako, kung ikaw.
Damn, man. Yung iba, huwag ka munang aalis, please. Huwag mo akong iwan sa kanila naman. Sabihin mo lang at bibitawan kita, bitch. I don't care. Ha? Ba't parang may iba ka na? Ayaw mo na ba? Sige, sabihin mo lang, bitawan kita. I don't need you. Okay? Diba? G22. Sobrang lakas nila para magstay sa isang petty guy. Okay? Move on ka na lang, doon ka sa gusto mo. Okay? Di kita kailangan. Damn, man.
Kung ikaw at ako, magtatakbo ba sa dulo? Hindi ko maramdaman, dapat ba ba ito na panghawakan?
Alright, man. If you can't feel your special someone, kung hindi mo maramdaman na kanyang pagmamahal, at kung feeling mo hindi kanya mahal, yung mga away is normal in a relationship. Kasi pag hindi kayo nag-away, hindi kayo nagmamahalan. That's just it. Okay? Pero kung hindi siya nagpapakita sa'yo ng pagmamahal, kahit kailan, hindi mo na maramdaman. Wala na eh. Ano ka na, para ka ng aso dyan eh. Aso nga, minamahal pa eh, di ba? Para ka na lang invisible. At ramdam mong hindi kanya mahal. Well, that's definitely the case. Kung ramdam mong hindi ka na mahal at di ka importante, kung ano yung pakiramdam mo, yun mismo yung gusto niyang sabihin sa iyo. So, ang gawin mo is to stop that shit and move on and just wait for somebody that's gonna give you your worth, okay? Bigyan mo ng saysay, bigyan mo ng worth ang sarili mo. Because you're sabihin ko pa sana worthless. Hindi, because you are, ano ba yung kabaliktaran ng worthless? May worth ka, yun na lang. English kasi ng English eh, okay? Know your worth. You got caught.
I'll give you all my love tonight. Kung ikaw at ako, magtatakbo ba sa dulo? Hindi ko maramdaman, dapat ba ba ito na panghawakan? Ikaw at ako, bakit ka biglang nagbago? May iba na bang kasama dyan? Sabihin mo lang para ikay mabitawan. Litong-lito, gulong-gulo. Bago mong kilos, urong-surong palihis, di tinatapos. Nandito lang ako, naiiwang umaasa sa lambing.
Bruh.
The subscriber cannot be reached. again later.
Sino yun? Yung babae ba yun? Cannot be reached? Bari binlock niya na yung lalaki kasi may iba na, ganun ba yun? O yung babae yung tumatawag. Sana hindi... G22 pa comment naman. Sino yung the subscribers cannot be reached? Yung lalaki ba yun? Tinatawagan ng girl na sabihin mo na, wait, natawagan ko nga siya kung mayroon ba talaga siyang, ay, putik, binlock na ako. Or, yung babae ba yun na, i-block ko na siya kasi parang may iban din naman niya na ako mahal. Sana yun yung case. Kasi parang maging masaya ako sa story. If that's the case, I'm happy. And that's another good song. Another good song. Okay. Let's proceed to Until When. Okay?
Until when do you think I can?
Okay, we got the dancey one, the groove, di ba? Dancey. We got hip-hop, Super Saiyan. We got love song, Kung Ikaw at Ako. And this one is ballad. They're completing all genres right here. Versatile women. Versatile, amazing, wonderful, beautiful, lovable, yummy women right here, man. Delicious. Yummy is an understatement. These women are delicious. Deliciously sexy, amazing, sophisticated. Nakita ko sila, men, napaka nila, sophisticated yung dating nila. Hindi bastusin na dating. Yung yummy ko, that's a compliment, okay? But these are respectable women. Very beautiful, very classy. I guess we have a ballad right here. Let's go. Excuse me.
Until when do you think I can hold my tears from all that I feel? I'm just hiding behind my pride. I'm in disguise. Now I'm paying the price of keeping it inside. Until when do you think I can have my heart in bandage? Blood is reeking out kahit pa tapalan ng ulit-ulit.
That's nasty. That's crazy how they switch languages like that. It can't get smoother than that, my guy. That's a talent right there. Then makikita kung gaano sila kagaling. This is P-pop, y'all. And singing Taglish is, I think that's one of the requirements of P-pop. Dapat may Tagalog song, di ba? I mean, Tagalog lyrics to the song. It's definitely not required, but pag may Tagalog kasi na part, doon mo masasabi, damn, oy, Philippines! Diba? Parang ganun. Pero, kung paano nila tinanosition yung English to Tagalog, that's definitely amazing. Napaka-talented. Napaka-seamless, pag ganyan.
Have my heart in bandage, blood is reeking out kahit pa tapalan ng
bastos!
ulit-ulit di na kinakaya. Hanggang kailan kaya ako matitiis?
Bruh! I can feel the pain!
Kaya ko pa, kinakaya ko pa. Until when do you think I can hide the truth that the guilt is killing me? Di ko naman see na sadyang nasaktan ka, nasaktan mo lang rin ako. Hanggang kailan kaya ako matitiis? Until when I replay us then, when I called you a friend, never thought it would end. Until when will I pretend that it doesn't bleed? Alam kong di na kaya pang tahiin mga sugat natin.
What the hell? The instrumental is crazy. May violin pa! Bruh. Shit. The harmonization, man. What? Oh my god. Shit, this is orchestral. Fuck, that's done? That's done? I think that's it.
Ano ba kasi talaga meaning ng
Wait
love?
lang. Chill ka lang, General. Wow. Ah, man, konti lang lamang na. Oh my god, Super Saiyan was freaking it blew the roof off. Okay, Super Saiyan. Yung Until When dito lang, oh. They go toe to toe with ano, man. Head to head with Super Saiyan. Sobrang ganda nung ballad na yun, hayop na yun. The lyrics, the feelings, the emotion, the instrumentals, the thought, how they sing it, the voicing, the harmonization is top tier, and definitely original, orchestral. When I what I describe about this song is orchestral. Sobrang ganda nung voicing nila doon, and knowing that there are only 3 people in the group having that wonderful harmonization blows my mind. Putik, 36 minutes na tayo nagre-record. So, tingnan natin. This is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. Title nito First. And we're not gonna do Filipina Queen because I watched it already. And the other one, what was the first one? The Papa Palaban. I think we're gonna make another video for Lakong Pake. Kasi napakahaba na, 40 minutes na to. Animal, mag-iisang oras. I think I'm gonna do a separate video for that. Siguro nakatadhana talagang paluorin ko siya as is yung music video. So this is First by G22. Until When. Visit. Ang gandang kanta nun. And the lyricism of these girls is underrated. Pati boses. Pati feeling. Putik. Napaka-animal. Okay.
Love
Next.
is connection. I think when we yearn,
Wait.
Ano ba kasi talaga meaning ng love?
love is connection. I think when we yearn for love, we're longing for connection, and
Love is connection, she said. And we're longing for it. For the connection. Oh, that's a nice meaning. But if I ask what is love is, love is, diba, sinasabi nila, I just heard it from a while ago, sinasabi nila, I'm willing to die for you. Handa akong mamatay para sa'yo. Pero ang totoo, are you willing to live for her? Willing ka bang huwag mamatay para sa kanya? Willing ka bang masumaba pa ang buhay mo para sa kanya? Kinikilabutan ako. That's amazing. That's an amazing interpretation of Zugat. Ako tuloy.
things you do despite how you feel. You cannot explain love, but you can feel it. Kahit hindi mo gusto ang mararamdaman, kahit sinasabi ng utak mo na hindi dapat.
Hindi mo talaga ma-flex what doesn't want to be here.
Love is sacrifice, even if that sacrifice is yourself.
I will always put you first, even though I know it hurts. You have bullets for your words, still I'll be here at your worst. It's a blessing and a curse.
Shut the fuck up. That first lines, yun, yung narinig natin na yun, putek na yan, animal. Napakaganda, siksik, walang tapon, walang filler yun, men, animal. Wow! Man, this first, ang ganda doon. Hayop ka. Wow, okay. Okay, G22.
I will always put you first, even though I know it hurts. You have bullets for your words, still I'll be here at your worst. It's a blessing and a curse. I keep preaching through the cold,
The beat!
for the warmth you never showed. But you was up very tall, oh your silence says it all. So I'm waiting for your call. Seems that I don't have the scars that you do. Wish that I didn't care, but I do. It hurts the most I can't
palaging ako.
I broke myself to fit your heart. Try to find a
Punyeta, ang ganda nun, men. Ang lalim ng G22, ah. Bruh. Shit. Okay? Shit. Did I hear it right? Let me just rewind the shit.
I broke myself to fit your heart.
Fuck, man. Yun pa lang yung wordplay pa lang na yun, man. Yung imagery. Ang galing ng ano sa imagery, ah. I broke myself. Eto, ano to eh. Ano to, palindrome. Anong tawag nun? Kabaliktaran, ah. I broke myself to fix your heart. Nakita mo ba yung gaano yung thought ng hayop na yun? Nakikita mo ba kung I broke myself to fix your heart? Broke? Fix? Genius yan, pre. Punyeta. I broke myself to fix your heart. Ang ganda nun, men. Ang ganda ng pagkasulat ng animal na yun. Sino ba yung sumulat nito?
Try to find a missing parts. These two pieces on the ground, and you never turn around, screaming but without a sound.
That I don't have the scars that you do. Wish that I didn't care, but I do. It hurts the most, I care the most, with or without you. It sucks to know you didn't show the love I need from you. It takes a toll, it's getting old that I chase after you. Palagi na lang ako.
Palagi na lang ako.
This is broken. Words were unspoken. I grew to love I wanted with the tears of it.
Pain is my armor, hope is my anchor. Know that in my heart that you are forgiven.
Sayang walang lyrics, di ko
Saying that I don't have the scars that you do. I see it now, more and more from your view.
I'll love the same, I will remain with or without you. It's good to know I've learned to grow from all that we've been through. It took a toll, but healed my soul. This love I have for you, palagi tong totoo.
That's it. Holy shit. Okay, let's stop right there, man. Fuck this shit. It's too much for me. We are 43 minutes in. I guess I'm just gonna make a different video for para maging watchable pa naman tong 44 minutes. G22 animal kayo. Okay? Okay? Super sa, man, hindi ko na alam, sobrang gaganda nung nasa album, punyeta. But my favorites were Super Saiyan, yung sa Until When. Hindi, Super Saiyan, ito yung tatlong paborito ka, and nakakasunod-sunod. Yung pinakinggan lang natin ngayon, Super Saiyan, ang First, then Until When. Yun yung tatlo. Na mga, ang lalapit nun, ang taas nun na! Tatlo yun, man. And all of the songs are amazing also. Pero yun yung punyeta, di kaya ng utak ko yan. Hanggang dito na muna, subscribe kayo kasi upload ko pa yung ibang G22. Maraming salamat, cut na natin, ang haba na. Animal, buisit.